Hi there, little scientists! Welcome back to Science with Sky. I'm so excited you're joining me today. Today, it's a little bit chilly in here because we're going to talk about the science of snow. Are you ready to come on an adventure with me and do some science experiments? Let's go!
Come on and start the play. Everyone's learning today. Science with Sky, Science with Sky, Science with Sky.
First, let's talk about what snow really is. Snow is made of tiny ice crystals that form in the clouds when it's really, really cold out, like freezing, 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. It's so cold! I need a jacket. Look at all the snow falling from the sky. Did you know that each snowflake is unique? It's nature's art. Isn't that so cool? Snowflakes start as tiny bits of water that freeze in the clouds. They grow and grow and grow into these beautiful shapes. Did you know you can make your own snowflakes at home? You just get a piece of paper and fold it and cut. It's so fun. Whoa. Have you ever noticed that snow is white? Why is it white? That's because the light reflects off of the snow in all directions and all colors, so it looks so bright and white. It's like a blanket of sparkle. Now, not everyone has snow where they live, but that's okay. We can make our own snow today. Are you ready? Let's go. To make your own snow, you just need baking soda and shaving cream. So what you do is add a lot of baking soda. 1 scoop, 2 scoops, 3 scoops, 4 scoops. I think that's good. And next, we'll add some shaving cream. You need the foam shaving cream, not the gel kind. Add some shaving cream. Whoa, it's so white and pretty. Oh! Okay, now let's mix it up. Whoa. May take a little bit of mixing. Maybe get a bigger bowl. Whoa, look at that. It's so cold. It feels like real snow. I wonder if I can make a snowball. Whoa, it's so cool. It's cold like real snow. It's a little bit messy. But science is always messy. Whoa, look at the snow. It's so white and pretty. Look at the light reflect off of it. It's almost sparkly. Did you know the biggest snowflake ever recorded was 15 inches wide? That's humongous for a snowflake. Look at that. That's amazing. Look at all these beautiful snowflakes. Can you catch them in your mouth with me? If you go outside when it's snowing and stick your tongue out like that, you can catch some snowflakes and it'll melt in your mouth. It's like you're drinking water. It's so silly. So much fun. If you live where there's snow, you can do another experiment at home. You can get some snow from the outside and sprinkle a little bit of salt on it and see what happens. What you'll see is the salt breaks up the snow and melts it faster. That's why in places where it snows all the time, they put salt and sand on the roads so it melts the snow so people can drive around safely. Isn't that awesome? Wow, little scientists, we learned so much about snow today. I hope you had fun. I know I did. We learned about how snowflakes form, to making our own pretend snow. That was so silly. Winter science is so much fun. Don't forget to subscribe to see more Science with Sky and do more experiments and become little scientists together. I can't wait to see you again. Bye!